boy, JB, don't be smart yesterday. I tell you come go club now. You say you know what go. Now you are Igbo. If Igbo no kill you, okay Igbo. If you see club yesterday, everywhere good. See babes, see drinks. I drink. Now this morning they carry me with wheelbarrow cars now. You don't see me.
You don't tell me say I smoke. You don't like him.
You too like bro.
You now flexing with girls. You are flexing.
Wetin they see for Igbo? I bet shifting.
My guy, the see wetin I dey see. See the new latest LG fridge. They don't want the new LG fridge for here.
JB, see why they say no they smoke Igbo? You smoke this morning before come up for us.
I don't. You know they tell me that kind of rubbish already. I tell you they smoke.
JB, you no get sense. JB, you dey see generator like this, they come like Igbo. You no get sense.
This thing na free. I don't want to dey follow the argue this year. You see that brother so he be like saying at the house they stay. Mo go ask him.
Oh, yeah,
I don't want to dey follow you.
JB, more bet if that thing no be generator. Go dey go.
God have mercy upon us.
No argue. I greet you, bros.
Hey, I greet you.
Bros, I bet no verse. You get what me and this guy they argue for. This guy wey wear suit so like this Papa Ajasko. Bros, I bet no verse. Chief come and show you something. And they tell us say this thing na generator. This Jonesy guy they tell me say na fridge.
This thing abi?
Yes, bros. This thing no be gen.
What you call am just now?
I say gen, he say fridge.
Na generator now.
Okay.
Why una go dey do?
Yeah.
How this is a generator? This no be the new LG fridge.
Okay.
Na fridge yo.
Okay.
What you call am just now?
I said this thing na fridge. Na fridge. You see a new latest LG fridge.
Oh, LG. That thing abi? You say na wetin?
Na fridge.
Na fridge now. Oh, you say na fridge now.
Why when we wear cap like this is so be like she no Rambo. Say na gen, he say na gen. Now you say na fridge, he say na fridge. This one no well.
No man.
I don't say I'm more find better person. I bet say they pack the tea. I bet no say this one na expensive.
I tell you say this thing na fridge. You tell me say I don't understand.
No worry.
They form smart. This old man.
We'll see her, sir. Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, hello, that no best. I know say I do you rent. I go pay today, no worries. And I just question now what. So, God, Lord, see this thing where they there. So, God, Lord, you see this thing? This thing. No be generator be that.
Oh my God.
Na fridge.
This thing na fridge.
What you call?
This thing na fridge. New latest LG fridge.
Okay, Lord, say na gen. Na generator be that.
Now, no. If you don't argue, argument, una dey argue finish. Una bring me house rent for me for house.
Oh yeah, with your cap like this thing. See your cap like canoe. You too like money. Your wife they be like babu.
No say as e be like ape like animal.
Hey bros, I greet you bros. It be like say this bro go get sense. Hey bros, I bet no verse. See this thing. Tell me that. Not be gen, not be the latest gen with the mat. Not be that.
This is not free.
Mat, not be that. Yes.
Boss, I beg again. Una fear me with 200 or 500.
They come on here. They come on for here. Yeah, why share the bed? Because they ask you first, they fight you or the beggar. Be like they push you come up for heaven.
Who be this moron? Say as e be like moron.
Don't worry, today you go see that money so open so I must chop am. Another person go pass.
I say this in a fridge.
No, you're worried. Another person go pass. Yes, bros. I greet you, bros.
Well done, sir.
I beg no best, bros. I beg, bros. You get with me and this my Jonesy guy. Get with you. They argue for since.
Now they argue.
Yes, now, bros. Since you don't think what's time for you, and argue with they.
What do they argue about?
Bros, this thing so not be generator.
Na fridge, Joe. This is na fridge.
Wait, now this particular tune now for the argue.
Yes, now this thing, bro. Not be generator. I tell this my guy say na generator when they put when they newly do. I even see this gen for the video ass. I see him yesterday for the video ass.
We're not supposed to they argue now. Now for quick talk.
Wow. So be na gen.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for giving me this privilege to tell you the answer to this thing.
Okay, bros.
Okay. You see that year, so we will carry this thing called this Appian.
Thank God. Bros, oh yeah, there your head. Bros, I beg. Get this guy, this Jonesy guy. This guy when they smoke, he like he go down entire. He don't know what to do. Tell us say this thing na gen.
Don't tell me say I dey smoke people. I know they like am.
Relax it. Bros, what you be this thing?
See, the year we will carry this thing called feast for this place. You know what we call feast?
No, bros.
Now MTN mass that we call feast.
Bros, MTN mass?
Yes, but to the look of things now mango tree I call this.
This one crazy pass also.
Wetin be
The observer, this situation don't change. Like a mango tree called B now.
Blood of Jesus.
Wait, turn us glass upside down so.
Let's say we
Sense no turn upside down.
let's say we just do without your change.
No, this thing na fridge.
I said this thing na change.
I say this thing na fridge. See that one, you say the one that they call. As we dey argue just now, they see the one they call. Na fridge, come on, they go out.
I tell you say this thing I no fit for argument. You say this thing na now I say na free. You say no, go say when we agree to your the same thing na free.
Na
which one you be for inside?
Na free. Don't do fit o. You don't do. Come on, go out.
Yeah, I beg.
Come on, go out. Come on, go now. Want to sort landlord that's right. That way be like, which I don't know. So with the Benny leg.
I mean, able to say na Jen and Fridge.
So people are only
From MTN Mass now, so na mango tree come turn to.
funny people.
Oh, if anybody asks me now, na mango tree.